good afternoon. My name is Miranda. I'm a hospitality consultant with hotels, having 21 years experience with training operations and marketing. I think it's important for everyone who's actually in the marketing field to actually go through a course in digital marketing. And of course, I chose Compufield Bandra as one of my learning schools. Compufield Bandra for me has been one of the best places to actually choose this course, as I had this facility of not only having a one-to-one training with my faculty, but also have flexible timing, which actually was one of the major reasons of taking this course with Compufield. Anyone who's actually getting into the space of SEO, digital marketing, or any other social media should do this course at this place, because it widens your horizons with regards to social media and digital marketing. I'd like to thank all the faculty as well as the institute per se, and actually taking out their time and having the patience of actually having me on board in this course. If I was to rate this course on a scale of 1 to 5, I'd probably definitely be at a 5, more than 5, because of the kind of focus they've had in delivering this course. Thank you.